It's very important for me to keep a healthy lifestyle. I try to do a lot of sport, I run, I do a lot of bicycle, very conscious on what I put on my skin. I have the same problem like most men after shaving. We're trying to look for a long time for a product that will keep my face less irritated, and I found it with Pure. The aftershave I'm using with Pure, it actually it's amazing. It doesn't give the burning feeling that most of aftershaves give you after using it. It lasts for a long time. The day after I still feel the smoothness of my skin. I know that there is a seaweed gel inside and a lot of vitamin E, and the smell is amazing. I personally love it. It's totally different than normal aftershave, the alcohol water that you put on your face. It's healthier, it's smoother, and the smell is amazing.